If you want to use dual WhatsApp application on a Samsung A36 5G, first of all, for sure, you will have to download the first application from your Google Play Store. It's quite obvious, right? But next, if you want to clone it, you'll have to just go into settings. Next, we'll have to scroll down and we have to search for some additional settings. We can actually find them by going into advanced features. There we go. And now you will have to go into dual messenger. So what you have to do right now is just to click on this switcher next to the WhatsApp application and click install a second copy of WhatsApp. So you are able to sign in to another WhatsApp account and the second copy of that app. So click install, click confirm. Now click on this switcher to use separate contacts. You can select them from the list if you want or don't. That's your choice. And now as you can see, the second copy of WhatsApp was installed. And where we can find it, it's also quite obvious. Let me just turn off the zoom feature. Never mind. But when we go here into, app drawer, we can find two WhatsApp applications.